Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Bulgari Kitchen. As you always watching my YouTube channel, and today my YouTube channel in Bulgari Kitchen, I bring very famous dessert from one of the famous country, Philippines. This dessert is very famous during the summer. They make this one, and they love children, women, men, everybody. They love to have this one in any occasion. Basically, mostly this one is prepared in birthday parties and wedding anniversaries or many more occasions. But today in Balgari Kitchen, I'm going to prepare halo halo in mix of everything. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients which I prepared in Balgari Kitchen. So keep watching Balgari Kitchen. Do subscribe Balgari Kitchen. Share to friends and family. And thank you for watching Balgari Kitchen. Maraming salamat po. So viewers, let me take you to my kitchen, Bulgari kitchen, where I prepare all the ingredients for halo halo. So let me show you how to make halo halo. What are the key ingredients need for make halo halo? Tapioca, evaporated milk, sabaw is called banana, which I already make it cook and fried and caramelized. Melon, green jelly, red jelly, crushed ice, and this is palm fruit which is called kaung. Purple yam is called UB. So coconut gel is called nata de coca. Nata de coca in is called also coconut gel. Coconut gel green. Coconut sport. Some sugar I'm going to use as optional. So please keep watching Bulgari Kitchen for halo halo recipe. I'm going to use Mr. Golaman red jelly, green jelly. So viewers, let's prepare our jelly. I'm going to add 1 liter water, and then I'm going to add 1 packet, pour inside all, and then stir. Keep stirring on medium heat. So our red jelly is ready. I'm going to turn into bowl to set. Keep this one for 3 to 4 hours to make it cool down. Make another green one. Add again 1 liter water. Mix. So let's pour in the container. Saba, 1 cup sugar. Peel the banana. Now cut the banana into cubes like this way. Then I'm going to caramelize this banana in sugar syrup. So make sure your pan is hot. I'm going to add sugar. Let it melt. Spread it over. Here I cut already some tapioca. So here I'm going to make some sugar caramelize for our sabaw. Now it's almost caramelized. Like the color is orange, I'm going to add sabaw, banana, caramelize all. So almost is caramelized. Adding 1 cup of water, cook for 5 to 7 minutes. So now on same caramelize, we can going to add tapioca. To add tapioca, here we go, and cook this one around 10 to 15 minutes. Make it caramelize. Then you're going to add some water to cook this one. Now add water and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the tapioca is nicely cooked. It's time to start our halo halo. So let me prepare halo halo. So here I have first ingredients, which is tapioca, which I already cook and caramelize and make it cool down. You see the procedure already in my video. So I'm going to add 1 spoon here. The next ingredients is soba, is banana. Add some. Then I'm going to add some melon, which is this way. Then some green jelly, some red jelly, and put here. Then palm fruit, some coconut gel, coconut gel also again, some coconut spots, which will be like this. Sprinkle of sugar, ice, last ingredients. I'm going to add evaporated milk in this way, like this. Coconut spots, UB, which is on top, some as a garnish. To make it colorful, some green jelly as well, some topic again. So viewers, look at our beautiful halo halo is ready. I can't stop having tasting this one. So viewers, it's time to taste halo halo. Wow, it looks delicious. It will be cold. I'm going to taste. Mmm. Mmm. It's very cold. It's nice. Masarap. Kabayan, subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm going to make a lot of Filipino food as well. It's like hot food, some dessert, some pastries as well. So please do subscribe Bulgari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give a lovely comment, please. Have a great evening.